Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share you a, let's say, utility knife that I found while I was browsing, and this could be a really nice option for all of those situations where you don't want to carry a knife, a regular knife, or maybe you want to have a few spare knives lying around, maybe your house or maybe your garage or cellar. So this is a MOSSY oak 2-piece stainless steel utility knife set. This is how it came to me. And both are the same, but let's check it out. So these can be purchased with probably different brandings on it. They have a pocket clip, so you can use it as a pocket knife, of course, and will come in two variants. So one variant is just your stainless steel, so polished, so semi-polished, semi-satin finish, and one is this acid etched black finish. Okay, so these are really sturdy. If you want to change out the blade, then here is some information. So push up and pull, and they will lock in place. They are a liner lock construction, so nicely executed right there, and good tolerances. The MSRP on this set is 99.99, but they are around $10 both, so 5 each. And as always, I will try to link you down below where I bought these. Okay, let's see the specifications. Okay, so we have a overall length of 5.24 inches or 13.3 centimeters. The handle or folded length is 3 inches or 7.62 centimeters. The width is 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. The blade is 2.4 inches or 6.1 centimeters. The handle width is 0.3 inches or 7.5 millimeters. The weight comes in with the blade 52 grams or 1.8 ounces. This one uses just your standard SK5 stainless steel razor blades. You know them. Every company who is producing X-Acto knives does carry some variant of these, so they are there's a good availability. And basically the best part of this knife is that you can have always a fresh sharp blade with minimum effort. Okay, so just if you feel the knife is dull, just take it out, switch it around, put it back inside, and you have another razor sharp blade. And when it is dull, if you like, you can just strap it on your ceramic rods, or just throw it out and put in when you want a fresh one. You can probably get 100 blades for, I don't know, $20 or so. They are really not that expensive. It's a really nice option for your utility carry in a small package. So if you compare these to, I don't know, something like the Gerber, you can see how large and bulky this one is. They are another designs out there that emulate this similar style of X-Acto knife. So this is one option out there. Size wise, I don't know if it's that important, but let's see. This is a Kershaw Shuffle 2, a small reptilian, buck vintage small, and a Spyderco Delica. Okay, so if any sorry for that. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly gears, like knives, watches, flashlights related, but also hobby, Warhammer, books, and utility stuffs like, I don't know, brushes or materials that help you out with your hobby. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.